With another one of my ideas. This is a 3D holographic spinner. Here's the fidget spinner right here. Hold it just a second. See how that thing spins? It's a fidget spinner. You know, just regular fidget spinner. Now, you see this? On the television here? That's a holographic fan. That's the that's with one axis. Watch when it turns on. Now this is just on, I found a YouTube video about it. Hold that. Let me show it to him. You see the fan. Now here's when he turns it on. See? Now he's got the fan on. Now you see this? We can do the same thing. And I'll show you why. We're going to back up. You see them lights on this thing? See these little bitty lights, y'all? See how tiny they are? See how them little bitty lights are on that fan? Fidget spinners are made different ways. You can put them lights on this thing, and you ain't got to have a motor in it. Perpetual motion. With centrifugal motion, whatever you want to call it. You just spin the thing with your hand. And we have a 3D holographic spinner. 4D holographic spinner, 5D holographic spinner. And it makes this image right here. This ain't the best video in the world. Again, we could do the same thing with this little fidget spinner. See? You get it now? 3D holographic fidget spinner. Makes sense, don't it?